Hello everyone, myself Rameshwari Holkar and I'm Center Head at Excel Civils Academy in Hyderabad. In the previous session, we have learned about this Narmada River. I hope till now you have revised it. You have gone through NCERTs as well as through Atlas. In today's session, we are going to learn about few multiple type of questions. Those are important for the preliminary examination. So I have prepared a beautiful questions for all of you, but don't jump directly to this session. I want you to revise the previous session where you learn about this River Narmada's basic information. So let's start with the session of the questions. Now the first question that you have regarding the River Narmada is that consider the following description of the river. This river flows through the Bhedaghat Gorge in the Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. The river has cut through soft marble rock to form gorge. In the previous class, I also explained you about the gorge, about the valley as well. This river banks offer an enchanting scenic view during the full moon night, sunrise as well as sunsets. Which one of the following describes this above information and which river they are describing about? The first is the river Kaveri. Second option we have a Tapi, C Godavari and D is Narmada. The answer must be very easy at this moment because if you have learned it or if you have learned it through the previous session, you can directly come to the answer very easily. Now the second question that we have is Kolar, Barna, Orsan, Koral, Tawa, Banjar, Temur, Senar and Shakkar are tributaries of which of the following rivers? The first option that we have Tapi, second Pennar, third Narmada and fourth option is the Barak. Now the questions, the students are asking me questions that do we need to remember the tributary of the River Narmada? Understand that River Narmada has more than 40 plus tributaries. You don't need to remember any one of those except which I have explained in the previous class. So if you know that there is a Tawa and Denva are the tributaries of the River Narmada, then you can directly come to the answer because they have given one example is the River Tawa. So remember that you don't need to remember all the tributaries, but remember those are the largest tributaries or the tributaries those are important for the ecological or environmental perspective. Now we have third question. With reference to River Narmada, consider the following statement. First option, the source of River Narmada is the same as that of Son, but it flows through Madhya Pradesh. Second option, Panchamari is the highest point of the Narmada basin. Now the third sentence we have, the Narmada basin mainly consists of black soil. And fourth, River Narmada flows into Arabian Sea and creates delta at Aliabet. How many of the above statements are correct? A, only 3, B, only 2, C, all of the above and D, none of the above. Recently, UPSC started asking this kind of question pattern and this is most useful questionnaires you can have while you are studying the river basin of India or river system of India. Fourth question, if you want to see gharials in their natural habitat, which one of the following is the best place to visit? A, Bhitarkanika mangroves, option B, Narmada River Valley, C, Pulikat Lake and D, Deep Bore Lake. Now again this option can be very easy at this moment, right? Now we are going to see the next question. While we were learning about the River Narmada, we also studied about the Jyotirlinga, which is located on the bank of River Narmada. By that only I have framed another question for you. Consider the following Jyotirlinga and rivers associated with it. In the first row, I have given the Jyotirlingas and paired with the rivers are passing or situated nearby that river. Now the first is a Mahakaleshwar from the Ujjain, which is located on the River Narmada. The second pair we have Omkareshwar from the Khandwa, which is paired with this river Kshipra. Now third is a Baba Vidyanath Dham from Jharkhand, paired with the river Mayurakshi river. And the fourth is the Krishneshwar Temple, Aurangabad, which is located on the river Godavari. Now these are the 4 pairs I have given. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Only 3 and 4, only 2, 3 and 4, only 1 and 2, and option final is all of the above. Again, this is very application oriented question. Please answer these questions in the comment box below so that I will able to understand how much you are able to understand this content, how much you are able to digest it. It is not just an entertainment, it is very, very important for the CSE perspective, and I am making your preparation as easy as possible because I am covering maximum resources and providing you the best of the content, so that I just want you to study it through your basic books as well as through by taking the help of Atlas and my videos. That will be more than sufficient. Now this will be the 6th question. Alia Bhet is an island formed at the mouth of the which river? Sabarmati, Narmada, Tapi and Mahi. This is the most simple question, but this kind of questions can be asked in the PCS examination or can get a question reference from this Alia Bhet delta as well. The Narmada river flows to the west while most other large peninsular rivers flows to the east. Why? This is the previous year question. It occupies the linear Rift Valley. The option second will be it flows between the Vindhya and Satpura. As option C is the land slopes to the west from the central India. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Only 1, only 2, 3, only 1 and 3 and none. So these all are the questions that I have prepared. Of course, few of them are the previous year questions. I want all of you to comment your answer in the comment box below. I will able to understand whether you understood this topic or not. That's it. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next river system. Thanks a lot.